In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove image backgrounds with Miro. Whether you're working on a personal project or collaborating with a team, removing image backgrounds can be a crucial step in refining your visuals. Miro makes this process straightforward and intuitive, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's get started by opening Miro and heading over to your boards. You'll want to log in and navigate to the dashboard where all your boards live. This is your creative workspace where you can organize and manage all your visual projects. Once you're on the dashboard, go ahead and open up the specific board where you plan to edit your image. If you haven't already created one, now's the perfect time to set up a new board so you can stay organized. Next, if the image you want to edit hasn't been uploaded yet, you'll need to add it to your board. To do this, click on the Media section. Miro gives you multiple options for uploading your image. You can choose to upload directly from your device, or you may opt to bring in images from Google Drive, Dropbox, or other connected services. Select the method that's most convenient for you and upload your image to the board. Once your image is there, click on it. This will activate the tools you need to make edits. With the image selected, look for the Miro AI feature. Miro AI is a powerful tool that enhances your ability to manipulate and personalize your content effortlessly. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on Remove Background. Miro AI will automatically detect and remove the background from your image, leaving you with a clean cutout of your main subject. This feature is particularly useful for creating professional-looking visuals without the need for any advanced graphic design software. You just sit back, relax, and let the AI handle the heavy lifting. After the background has been removed, you can take some additional steps to refine your image. Miro allows you to make edits post-background removal, which means you can fine-tune the edges, adjust the positioning, or even add new elements to create the perfect composition. If you're pleased with how it looks, make sure to save your changes. This way, your updated image is ready for future use, whether you're deploying it in a presentation, sharing it with colleagues, or incorporating it into a larger project. And there you have it. You've now learned how to easily remove image backgrounds using Miro. This skill can significantly enhance your design capabilities and bring a polished touch to your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.